Okay, it's time to break out the old Blackstone. We're going to cook some breakfast. We get everything prepped, we get it out there, we fire the griddle up, and we bring it to temp. Then we start cooking. And we cook French toast and eggs and bacon. Oh, and more bacon. Got to cook bacon. But when it's all over, now we have to clean up. I want to present to you how I do it. I do a light scraping, do not apply a lot of pressure. You're just knocking the big chunks off, and we're going to get all those knocked off. Then we're going to come back, make sure we got them all, and we're going to rake them down into the grease trap. Let's get rid of them. And you're still going to have a fair amount of oil left on the griddle top, and you want to get rid of this. I use a paper towel versus overfilling or filling up my grease catcher. So I use paper towels and soak up all the excess grease, because we're going to use water and steam. Water and steam are not good friends with puddles of oil. So get it up the best you can. Now we're going to apply water on 1/3 of the griddle. The water and the steam does most of the cleaning. We're going to use the Blackstone orange scrub pad from their cleaning kit, and we're going to clean in circular motions. And we're going to use the gloved hand, because that steam will burn you worse than the griddle top itself. Now we're going to go to the middle section, apply some water, grab our orange pad, again circular motions, scrub it all around. Doesn't take long, and it just doesn't take a lot of effort either. It's fairly easy. And we're going to get the final section, squirt it down with water. Look at that steam. It literally gets rid of all your little baked on or cooked on little giblets. We're going to get rid of all of that, because those little things can be sources of rust if you leave too much of them on the griddle top. You may have some minute specks when it's done, but that'll be okay. Now we're going around and we're making sure we've got everything dry. We still have the flames going, and we're going to use heat to finish drying the griddle top, get rid of all that water. And then now we're going to cut it off and let it sit, let it cool, and we're going to apply a small amount of oil. I use grapeseed oil, olive oil, and avocado oil are also great. And I'm going to take a paper towel. You can use microfiber or cotton, but I'm going to spread that all around into a thin layer. The towel will soak up most of the excess. You don't want to leave any puddles. You're looking for a light film of oil. Do this, and it's ready for action. It's ready to be stored without fear of bad things happening while you're not looking, opening up and finding a crusted over, rusted top. This coating will help prevent that. Once I'm done with that, I close my top and I clean all my shelves with some household kitchen cleaner, so they're sanitized. I cover it, and it's ready for the next cook. Y'all enjoy.